Hello everyone. Welcome back to TechVerse. Three amazing cameras for photography. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a detailed look at three amazing cameras that have been making waves in the photography community. Introduction of cameras. In this video, we'll be exploring the Canon EOS 90D, Nikon D850, and Sony A6400. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, these cameras offer unique features and capabilities that cater to different needs. Let's jump right in and start with the Canon EOS 90D. First up is the Canon EOS 90D. This camera features a robust DSLR body with a comfortable grip. It's built for durability, making it a great choice for outdoor and travel photography. Key features. The 90D comes with a 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor that delivers sharp and detailed images. It's powered by the D850 processor, enabling 10 FPS continuous shooting, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. One of its standout features is 4K video recording with no crop, which is fantastic for videographers. Plus, it has dual-pixel AF for fast and accurate autofocus in live view mode. Pros: the excellent autofocus system in live view, versatile for both photography and video, and impressive battery life. The Canon EOS 90D is priced around $1,199 for the body only. For those interested in a kit with the 18-55mm lens, it's approximately $1,349. Closing for Canon EOS 90D. Overall, the Canon EOS 90D is a versatile DSLR that offers great performance and is ideal for enthusiasts who want a reliable all-round. Next, we have the Nikon D850. This is a full-frame DSLR designed for professionals. It boasts a solid, weather-sealed body that can withstand challenging shooting conditions. Key features. The D850 features a 45.7 megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. It's powered by the X-Speed 5 processor and offers 7 FPS continuous shooting, which can be increased to 9 FPS with the battery grip. It also supports 4K UHD video recording, though it's worth noting that video features are not as advanced as some newer models. The D850 excels in high resolution and low light performance, and its build quality is top-notch. The Nikon D850 is priced around $2,996 for the body only. For those looking for a kit with the 24-120mm lens, it's approximately $3,596. Closing for Nikon D850. If you need a camera with outstanding image quality and build, the Nikon D850 is an excellent choice, especially for professionals. Finally, let's talk about the Sony A6400. This mirrorless camera is known for its compact size and lightweight design, making it very portable. Key features. The A6400 features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and uses the Bio-NZX processor to deliver fast performance. It can shoot at 11 frames per second, which is great for capturing action shots. Its 4K video recording with full pixel readout ensures high-quality video, and it has an impressive autofocus system with 425 phase detection points, which excels in both photo and video modes. The A6400 offers exceptional autofocus performance and is highly portable, which is perfect for vlogging or travel. The battery life is shorter compared to DSLRs, and the touchscreen interface, while good, has some limitations. A6400 is priced around $898 for the body only. For those interested in a kit with the 16-55mm lens, it's approximately $1,198. A6400. The Sony A6400 is a fantastic choice for those who need a compact, high-performance camera with excellent autofocus and video capabilities. Comparison. To summarize, the Canon EOS 90D is great for those who need a versatile DSLR with good video capabilities. The Nikon D850 is perfect for high-resolution professional work, and the Sony A6400 is ideal for a portable option with strong video and autofocus features. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TechVerse, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear which camera you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.